Every account left on your PC that no one uses is an open door you forgot to close. In this video, I will show you exactly how to remove it from Windows 11. Before we begin, and this is important, you need to be logged in as an administrator to carry out this process. Without administrator privileges, Windows simply will not allow you to remove another account. So, please make sure you are on the right account before proceeding. Now, for the purpose of this demonstration, this is the account we will be removing from this computer. To get started, click on the Windows Start icon at the bottom of your screen, and from there, select Settings. Once you are inside Settings, look to the left-hand panel and click on Accounts. Scroll down just a little, and you will see a section called Family and Other Users. Click on that. Under the Other Users section, you will find the local account we are looking to delete. So, click on this icon to expand the options. You will notice two options appear. You can either change the account type or remove the account entirely. Since we want to delete it, go ahead and click Remove. As soon as you click Remove, Windows will present a confirmation prompt. Now, before you do anything else, please take a moment here. Make sure you have already backed up any important files from that account, documents, photos, anything that matters. When you are confident everything is backed up and you are ready to proceed, click Delete Account and Data. And once it is done, you will notice that the account has simply disappeared from the list, just like that. To confirm the account has been successfully removed, head back to the Windows Start icon and click on your profile. If that account no longer appears in the list, perfect. That is your confirmation that it has been fully removed from the system.